Namaste everyone, this is Sandeep and welcome to my channel Only Study. And this is the revision cum test of lesson number 1 Monday Morning Blues. But before we begin, I want you all to subscribe this channel and press bell icon not to miss the coming videos. Let's start. So here we have this lesson. We have already studied about this. We'll just revise it and recapitulate. Okay. So, in this lesson, Tom Sawyer is a boy who feels miserable. What does Tom feel? Miserable. Okay, this is Tom. He feels miserable. Miserable means unhappy, right? Why? Because according to him, with the Mondays starts slow suffering in another week's slow suffering in the school, right? Then after he tries to find out some ways that could help him to stay home. So first of all he discovered that his one of the upper teeth or upper tooth, okay, tooth was loose, right? So this is first time he discovered, but he found that it was not a good excuse. Then he started looking for something else. Then after he discovered sore toe and he found it worthwhile. What did he find worthwhile? His sore toe. Then after, when he was groaning, this one, let me rub it off. Yes, he is Sid. He was sleeping in a sound sleep. So he could not hear him groaning. So why did Sid not listen to Tom groaning? Because he was in a sound sleep. Let's move to the next one. Here, so here Sid calls auntie. What is the name of the auntie? Auntie's name is Polly. Okay, Aunt Polly. Then after, here they discuss something. Then after Tom's trick was caught by the auntie, and in this picture he makes one more excuse. He tells about his tooth. So in this picture they are talking. Aunt Stephanie is asking to Tom to open his mouth. Why? Because Tom has said that he is worried about his tooth. Okay. So this is, then after at last Aunt Stephanie pulls his tooth out. So this is all about the lesson. Let's take test now. So your first question is, what did Tom feel on Monday mornings? Pause the video, think answer, and then play the video and listen to my answer. Okay. I hope you have done. So, miserable. The answer is miserable or unhappy. What did Tom discover suddenly? He suddenly discovered loose tooth. Right. Then after, what did seem worthwhile to Tom for using as an excuse? So, it was his sore toe. Sore toe. Why did Sid not listen to Tom's groaning? Because he was in sound sleep. Pause the video and then answer. Think answer and then play the video and listen to my answer. Come quick. Now this is extract. You have to read it and then answer. Come quick, auntie, Tom's dying. Who said these words? Sid. What is the name of auntie? Polly. Open your mouth and let me see. Name the speaker and the listener. Speaker is Aunt Polly and listener is Tom. Why did the speaker say so? Because the listener has said that his tooth was loose. So this is all. Here are the answers of this. You have to give written test and your parents are requested to check your notebooks, right? Then after this is what homework. Write down the test and check it. Your parents can help you to check it. Learn the questions if you have not attempted them correctly, then learn them. Read 2 pages every day. Yes, reading is very important, and as the lockdown has been extended up to 17th May, so it's a good chance to improve the reading habit. Parents, I'll request you all to help the children to improve their reading skill. Next here, use new words in sentences. The words that are new to you, try to use them in sentences. Now this is for the parents. Help the child in completing homework. Develop reading habit. This is really a request with folded hands. 15 minutes reading should be loud reading, and that should be in your presence. Anyone who can guide the children, guide the child, he can help them in reading. The first 15 minutes reading should be loud reading, and 5 minutes silent reading should be there. And mostly what students do, they skip the words, they are difficult to pronounce, so help them, don't let them skipping those words, and ask them to pronounce difficult words twice or thrice, right? So this is all for the day. Again, I will request you to subscribe the channel, like and share the video, and press the bell icon for not missing the coming videos. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.